What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Hannah, how old are you?
I'm 8
8 years old.
years old.
Very good. How are you today, Anna? Hannah, how are you today?
I'm happy.
Very good. Are you hungry?
No.
What? No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Are you thirsty?
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Yes, close. I'm. Okay. Today is our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
I want you to sit nicely and speak loudly, okay?
Yes.
Ready? This time teacher will ask and you have to answer, okay?
Yes.
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm watching TV.
Great. What are you doing?
I'm painting.
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 Great. This time you will read and answer. Can you read?
What are you doing? I'm coloring.
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 Next. What?
What are you doing? I'm reading.
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 Okay, great job. Here, I will read and provide me the correct word, okay? Do you have a
Pedal. Baseball.
Do you have a
Soccer.
Okay, but this time you have to say, do you have a soccer ball? Okay, ball. Okay. Next, do you have a
Soccer ball. Racket.
Okay, this time not do you. How many? What's this? What's this?
Stapler.
Very good. How many staplers do you have?
I have one stapler.
Good. How many?
Erasers.
So in your bag, how many erasers do you have?
I have 4 erasers.
Okay, great. How many color pencil do you have?
I have
12.
12
Color?
color pencils.
Okay, here. How many?
Ruler.
Okay, how many rulers do you have?
I have 5 rulers.
Very good pronunciation. I like it. 5. Next, let's move on to phonics. Provide me the first sound. Okay?
Water.
Next.
Question.
Ready? Next.
Actress.
Next.
Rabbit.
Yes, rabbit. Next.
Under.
Very good, Hannah. Next.
Kangaroo.
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 Next.
Hamster.
Very good pronunciation. Good job. Next.
Yes.
Okay, good. Yes. Next.
Box.
One more time. Box.
Box.
Okay, here.
Elephant.
Elephant. Great job. For the last part, you have to read and match later, okay?
Yes.
Can you read it?
Draw a half circle.
Half circle.
Half circle.
Okay. Hold on. Let's move that. Can you point where is that? Half circle. Draw a half circle. Where is it? Very good. Next.
Bounce the ball.
Again. Bounce the ball.
Bounce the ball.
Yeah, correct. Next. Where is it? Very good. Next. Let's move on.
Shoot the ball.
Pronounce the CH. SH. Shoot.
Shoot the ball.
Shoot the ball. Okay, where is it? Point it. Very good, Hannah. You're doing great. Next.
Brush the teeth.
Brush
Brush
your
your teeth.
teeth. Okay. Point it out. Point it out. Very good. Good job. Boom. Say goodbye to teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Say thank you to. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye, teacher. Go.
Thank you, teacher. Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Hannah. Bye-bye. See you again.